While following the controversial recruitment of immigration officers that later had to hit a snag when the aggrieved parties petitioned the Gender Committee of Parliament, raising issues of marginalization of people living with disabilities, marginalization of pregnant women in the course of the recruitment, the course of training. Today, the Minister of Internal Affairs showed up before the Gender Committee of Parliament to give the account of the story as to why this had to go on. But of course, Matthew, you must know that the aggrieved parties had to make their petition citing breach of the Employment Act.
Immigration officers are public officers, which is governed under, defined under Article 175. And in respect to that, in view of the fact that this recruitment has reached where it has reached, the only logical conclusion is to reinstate those who are aggrieved, to follow the other procedure. Then thereafter, after they have delivered, you can subject them to that running 10 kilometers.
Now, when it comes to a security role, colleague, never create immigration service that is not a part of the security measures to deal with security threats. You do that, then you have no migration. Maybe you have some other kind of people.
Betty Amongi, a committee member to the Gender, Labour and Social Development Committee of Parliament, takes on the Minister of Internal Affairs, accusing him of having aided a critical breach of this Employment Act 2006. But General Aronda Nyakairima says it's not always that in all recruitment that are done by government that the law must be followed to the letter.
The public service should continue with the process, reinstate those who have been unfairly, either I don't know whether dismissed or what, let them follow the other procedure of the interview. After they have delivered, then they can be subjected to the 10-kilometer test.
Immigration is not a desk job per se, that you will be recruited, sit behind the desk and a stamp, and then you begin stamping from Monday to Monday, from 1st to 30th, stamping documents. Yes, it's a job, but they have also other tasks before them, which may require them to go out beyond offices and pursue people.
In spite of what is being advanced against the ministry in the recruitment process, General Aronda further puts his argument, saying that the relegation of pregnant women and people living with disabilities was done with advice from medical doctors who were on the scene, and was done with consultations with experts from the Ministry of Public Service and the Public Service Commission, that really was intended to ensure that mothers do not lose their lives in the first case, and they should not lose the lives of their futures.
You are also stating that you're going to train them, specialized training. That one can be done. And that's why the Article 33 is very clear, that while the state must ensure that women are protected, their opportunities advance in respect to recognizing their natural maternal function.
They have a mandate of arresting. Betty, read your law clearly. They have a mandate and they arrest. If they give you a work permit and you don't comply with it, they have, no, not necessarily. They have, you need to understand immigration. And the time has come. Whether we proceed or not, maybe this is an opportunity for the government and some leaders to understand immigration.
The minister has succumbed to a win-win situation. He has accepted that 71 slots have been reserved for those people who really complained that they were maliciously handled. But this does not mean that they have the jobs now.
We don't want someone to deliver on a 9-month rigorous training in some place. Then what happens? So now, but when you deliver, when you are away, then after delivery, then I have provided here a document. There are these other departments. They're here. There is the Department of Immigration Control, citizenship and passport control, they are there. Upon the delivery, you will come.
Timothy Sibasi, the Star Vision, the Ugandan Parliament in the capital, Kampala.